Ajit Kumar is an Indian film actor best known for his mononym Ajit or the name his fans gave him Thalla, ultimate star known for his work in Tamil cinema. The man who has enthralled the Tamil cine lovers for over 3 decades started his journey in the film industry in 1990 and over the years has been part of several blockbusters. Initially dropped out of school to become a race car driver, he was a salesman in the garment export business for a while and also tried a career in modeling. He has started doing aero modeling and photography. He starred in a few commercial advertisements which eventually led him to the film industry. Ajit Kumar started his career in the film industry with an uncredited role as a school student in Enna Veedu Enna Kanavar. 3 years later, he appeared in the Telugu language film Prema Pustakam, which marked his official debut. He began his career as a supporting actor in a Telugu film before gaining commercial recognition in the Tamil thriller Asai. A succession of high-grossing films followed with Ajit was usually depicted as romantic hero, with Kadal Kottai and Kadal Manan being the most notable. He later forayed into method acting, as seen in Vali, Mugavare, Kandukonden and Citizen, before establishing himself as an action hero with popular films including Amarakalam, Deena, Villain, Varalaru and Billa. The movie Vali co-starring Simran for the first time in his career received wide critical acclaim and emerged to be a massive box office hit. Ajit, for his stellar performance in the film, won his maiden Filmfare Award for Best Actor. The same year, the actor made his debut in a Bollywood film alongside Shah Rukh Khan, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Harshita Bhatt in the Indian epic historical drama Ashoka. Ajit won his second Filmfare Award for Best Actor for his brilliant role in the Tamil Hesed film Villain. In Amarakalam, he was paired with fellow actress Shalini for the first time. The film was a super hit and Ajit instantly fell for his leading lady who was to later become his wife. Ajit has starred in over 50 films. Among his awards include 4 Vijay Awards, 3 Cine Express Awards, 3 Filmfare Awards South and 3 Tamil Nadu State Film Awards. Ajit performs predominantly in leading roles in major studio films, genres ranging from romantic comedies and drama to action thrillers. In addition to his acting, Ajit Kumar, in a sabbatical, participated in the 2004 British Formula 3 season as a Formula 2 racing driver and was ranked the 3rd best motor car driver in India at his peak. He has also been abroad for various races including Germany and Malaysia. He drove in the 2003 Formula Asia BMW Championships. Based on the annual earnings of Indian celebrities, he was included in the Forbes India Celebrity 100 list 3 times. After his surgery for a broken vertebra, he lost feelings in his legs, but he took on a vow to recover and walked all the way from his home in Madras to the Balaji Shrine in Tirupati in Andhra Pradesh. Ajit began his own film distribution company called Circuit 9000. He announced that he would close the business and refrain from producing, distributing and directing films in the future. Ajit was signed as Nescafe's brand ambassador in Tamil Nadu. Later, he has limited his appearance to the silver screen by not appearing or promoting any commercials. Ajit Kumar is passionate about UAVs and drones. Recently, he has been appointed as the test pilot and UAV system advisor by Madras Institute of Technology for Medical Express 2018 UAV Challenge. He dismantled his fans club as he doesn't want his fans to waste time on movies a lot. Ajit created a non-profit organization, Mohini Money Foundation, named after his parents, in order to promote self-hygiene and civic consciousness and to help ease the problem of urban sprawl. Active in spreading awareness of the Green Revolution, an effort to clean up the Chennai environment and encouraging people to plant saplings.